Hello everyone. So at this moment we would like to share the work that has been finished in the LEXUS 2009 IS250 model, and if you want to see some other related video to this car, just have a look at our YouTube channel. And in this one we would like to share how it is working and how it was fit actually. It is full 10-inch full package and wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and upgrade Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera at the same factory reverse camera, and make the new camera looks like factory. So at first I would like to show something in the front. Everywhere everything fit back to the place. We remove the top hub system, which is here, and we fit in the new 10-inch screen and has air conditioner control panel and has hazard buttons working here, and we keep the bottom CD player thing. And the new system has steering wheel control working from here, which you can see that is showing up there, and steering wheel control. And what else? It is simple, fast and efficient. And now let's have a look. We also put on USB port over here, so yeah, just for USB access, and it looks like factory over here actually. Just come out and have a look at the reverse camera, how it was fit. So you can see here the factory reverse camera. The old one already been removed, and the current one is so far much better than the factory one in terms of the resolution and the anti-glare and night vision, because the owner complained about the factory camera that he couldn't see well directly under the sun, and also he couldn't see well in the night time. But now I'm sure that he will be very different because it is full HD now. Time is going to dark at this moment outside, but with the new camera it will help him to see wider, bigger, more detail, brighter day and night time. And also it will have the dynamic steering wheel working on the reverse camera, so you can see that the reverse camera is moving to show that you are reversing and curving the car. So yes, that's the way the new system is working. And also one of the very important thing that we want to introduce is the full climate control on the new system. Now you can see that there's a bunch of buttons here to control the air conditioner control, if in case you want to touch the button here. But it's even more convenient that if you just press the button here and it starts bringing all of the air conditioner control like this, that you can start control over here, or the button over here, that it will help you to run from the screen rather than have to add the knob, and it definitely will make it feel more luxury and easier to control. And you can see this, you can put all of those things in, and you can use the knob and change, and you can see both of the temperature change. Okay, and if you want to change it manually, you actually turn this knob and it starts turning into the dual mode. So the whole button and touch screen working well together, which it will help you to enjoy the new system, and it will help you to turn on and turn off the air conditioner control very easy from the new 10-inch touch screen. So basically that is the way the new system is working. And if you don't touch the air conditioner panel here in a very short time, it will automatically understand that you don't need it anymore, and it will turn it off by itself and come back to wireless Apple CarPlay screen, which is awesome and easy to use. So far that is about the LEXUS IS250 in 2009, which we can apply this system for the IS250 in 2005 to 2012. And if you are using other LEXUS like LEXUS IS 300, 350, LS, GS, 430, 450, you know that we have the ready package for you too. Just give us a call or an email and we'll work on that one. And if in case you are far from Sydney, we already have you know, Ultra installer in Brisbane, in Victoria, and in Adelaide at this moment. But if you are even further in other countries, simply give us a message by our website or by the email, and we'll ship anything that you need, you know, ready, the whole package to your door with the instruction and support. So you definitely can get the same thing like this into your IS250 or into your LEXUS, you know, GS, IS series and RX, and okay, anything LEXUS, or and any years that you have. So far we are very happy with that, because now full control of the air conditioner control on the screen. Thanks a lot for watching, and we're looking to see you on the next one. And see, here is the reverse camera again, Full HD anti-glare super night vision. Thank you and see you then.